God damn, that's freaking nuts, man. That's a big one.
Yeah, there's a lot of them looking all the way down.
Wow, the whole roots came up. So the tree was rooted in right here?
Yeah.
Oh, man. That's some strong ass wind, dude.
So Aztec calendar keeps kind of coming.
Yeah, man, the Mayans, man. The Mayans, man. They predicted it all, dude.
That one right there, right next to it.
Wow. It's pretty bad, man. And it's still pretty high, you know. I can feel the wind. I'm getting like gusts of it every now and then. Yeah, if anybody's parked down there, I don't think they're going to be able to get out. Well, at least it didn't hit anybody's like house. It got close to that one though, huh? Damn. Pasadena, man. I've felt the winds before, but nothing like that, man. Freaking nuts.
That's a smart man right there. Your helmet on.
Yeah. Yeah, cause the wind is still up, huh?
Yeah, look at over there too. They close it down.
Wow. Those palm trees are freaking strong, dude.
Yeah, they did.
They're very flexible.
All the way down.
Yeah. They're not rigid like these pine trees, you know.
And you would think those would fall through.
I know, cause they're top heavy.
Yeah, that tree right there going down. Freaks me out.
Yeah, it did. It was freaking me out last night too.
Because if it came down, that would smash the corner of Kristen's place.
Yep. And it would block us in. I think she stayed there last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't probably have anywhere else to go, and the wind was too high to drive.
Yeah, wait.